For years, the people of Zimbabwe have waited, prayed, and enjoyed under a system that did not listen to them. Now, the moment is arrived. Cyclone Chiwenga represents God's appointed time to bring freedom to his people. This is not a political calculation, the strategy of men, but a divine assignment that no human power can overturn. Sarabada mashkobdacho kapana pan Isaac Magomi Chichiti, the appointed hour. God's hand in Zimbabwe through Cyclone Chiwenga. No force can stop it. Well, subscribe or like out on the bell icon. This shows that when God raises a leader for a nation, opposition rises but cannot prevail. The suffering of ordinary Zimbabweans caused by Chiwenga has reached a point where only decisive action can break the cycle. Chiwenga stands as the instrument through which that breaking comes. His role is not limited to politics or a military range. It is a calling to restore dignity, justice, and self-determination to a people who have been denied it for too long. No human being can stop what God has ordained. Every attempt to block, undermine, or silence this movement will fail, because it is not rooted in human ambition but in a higher purpose. The people recognize it. That is why the message resonates across communities, why hope is being rekindled, and why the demand for Chiwenga to be the next president grows louder each day. This is the time for Zimbabweans to stand firm. God's time is now. The liberation of his people through Cyclone Chiwenga is unfolding, and no force on earth can out it. Chiwenga listens to the people. He has already demanded that Cap 3 should go through a referendum, and he said the nation's mineral and the resources should benefit everyone, not a few elites. He also demanded the arrest of corrupt officials. Doma developments are kuda pangoine pamusoro peCyclone Chiwenga. Nakumesa chemedu zofuna aim to be pamusoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.